So this is the XWFE. This is for a GE refrigerator, and this is the water filter. Our refrigerator had a light showing that it needed to be replaced, and it does say to replace it every 6 months. The people at Standard TV and Appliance had told me it kind of depends also on how much water you use, how often you have to replace it. Okay, and this is what it looks like, and it comes all sealed in plastic wrap. And so I'm going to show you how I put this in. To take it out, I had to twist and pull down, and I'll show you where it goes in the refrigerator. Okay, so we have this side by side where the refrigerator is beside the freezer. So the filter goes in the upper right hand corner there, and it says you line up the arrow on the filter with the cartridge holder. So there's the arrow, and then gently push the top of the filter inside. Slowly turn the filter to the right. I was trying to the left, I'm so stupid. Okay, and then it says not, so you turn it to the right like that, and you're not supposed to over tighten. Okay, so that actually was pretty easy. And it comes with instructions, so if you have a different kind of refrigerator, you might do it differently, but this is the one for the side by side.